love to see you. I really love to stay. Something about your sweet embrace makes me want to say that I love you, but I can't go through with it, not today. So I guess I'll go away. Didn't know what I would do when there was nothing left of me and you. I can feel the enemy is near. They'll rob me blind before I even know they're here. So I shook the devil off my trail. I bought him a one-way ticket straight back down to hell. And I cut the night free from the news. Last thing that this world needs is another poor excuse. But the fire burns low, dust settles slow. Better get out while you can. Caged birds can fly. Why would they? Living fast and dying young is never the good way. You gotta dig down a little deeper to keep on believing. Nothing like an arrow to the heart to stop you from leaving. I wanna stop you from leaving. I spit out the taste of the bitter truth. I tore down the walls that stood between me and the proof. This evolution will commence. A new definition is my last line of defense. Strong is the hammer, sharp is the blade. I'll lay my head to rest on top of this bed I made. All wounds will heal if given time. So greet the new day with an optimistic mind. Watch the wildflowers grow, my cup overflows. Gotta get it while you can. Caged birds can fly, but why would they? Living fast and dying young was never the good way. Gotta dig down a little deeper to keep on believing. Nothing like an arrow to the heart to stop you from leaving. I wanna stop you from leaving. Caged birds can fly, but why would they? Living fast and dying young was never the good way. You gotta dig down a little deeper to keep on believing. Nothing like an arrow to the heart stop you from leaving. Stop you from leaving. Stop you from leaving. Caged birds can fly, but why would they? Caged birds can fly, but why would they? Caged birds can fly, but why would they?